Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jamaican artists represent on the Black Sounds Beautiful campaign. RCA Records has recruited locally signed artists Koffee, Lila Ike, Protege and Savannah for their Black Sounds Beautiful campaign. The Black Sounds Beautiful campaign, which features music from Black artists on the RCA label, is in commemoration of Black Music Month 2020, which is celebrated throughout the month of June. The campaign, which includes Black music initiatives, also features a Black Music Month 2020 playlist featuring the songs Toast and W by Koffee, as well as Forget Me by Lila Ike. International artists featured in the campaign include Alicia Keys, Chris Brown, and Davido. The Black Sounds Beautiful campaign also saw Lila Ike and Koffee both agreeing that the Toast Singers Grammy win was a monumental Black music moment.
Monumental Black music moment for me would actually be when our very own Koffee got the Grammy. I thought that was amazing.
And I think I was the very first female and the youngest reggae artist from Jamaica to be nominated and to eventually win the Grammy in January 2020. So I'm very grateful for that moment, and therefore it's a monumental Black music moment for myself and also for my team and my family members and my friends and loved ones.
Koffee, Protege, Savannah and Lila Ike signed deals with RCA Records this year. Now to news overseas, where over 750,000 viewers tuned in for the Duel of the Pianos as Grammy Award-winning artists John Legend and Alicia Keys performed at the June 19 edition of Versus. The Grammy-winning artists performed tracks from their catalog and also treated fans to new music. Plus, Keys and Legend performed Bob Marley's Redemption Song, a much-needed nod to the Juneteenth holiday.
Won't you help me sing these songs of freedom? It's all I ever had.
All I ever had.
Redemption song.
Redemption song.
Redemption song.
Redemption song.
June 19, referred to as Juneteenth, is a holiday celebrating the emancipation of those who had been enslaved in the United States. The live event also saw Alicia Keys performing her 2006 collaboration Get a Story, which features